Okay, morning everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic? Kind of like the deal of the week. I don't know how long it'll go on for, but this is the DeWalt Mechanics tool set, and it's got sockets, of course, all that stuff, 168 piece. So I'll show you some other pictures of it as we go through this, but maybe not, for your top line mechanic, and tradesman, but, it's a good contractor kind of a set, handyman kind of a set. I bought this, I had it drop shipped to somebody, as a gift. And anyway, they turned around and called back and said, hey, this is fantastic, especially in this molded case. You can keep everything in one place. You can grab it and go. But let's switch over. I'll do questions and answers, but it's a good deal. It ships prime at $100. Okay, here we go with the questions and answers. Okay, so what's in the yellow box here in the middle? Well, that's a 22-piece bit set. So, and the next question, 6-point or 12-point? Well, they're 6-point. Does it come with a spark plug socket? Yeah, it's 5/8 spark plug socket. Is it metric or SAE? Click on the link below. I left you the link. It'll take you right to, the site where this is being sold on Amazon, but it comes in, it's got both in here is what I'm trying to say, SAE and metric both. And what sizes are the sockets? Well, the metric covers 4mm to 21mm and SAE 5/32 to 15/16. Will these work on your 1/2-inch drill? Yeah, they'll work well on your drill without a problem. What are the dimensions? I guess you're referring to the case. It's 22 inches wide, 16 inches deep, and 4 inches in height. How much does it weigh? Well, the whole thing weighs 20 pounds. Are they impact ready? No, they're not at all. Is 1/2-inch included in the set? It comes with 1/2-inch sockets and a 1/2-inch wrench. Let me show you a better picture because I'm getting a lot of questions. Does it include, drill bit sets and all this other stuff? It includes what's in the picture. Let me show you a different picture. Okay, so what I'm showing you is what's in that little yellow box. I'm showing you all the bits, the bit holders, and yes, the bit holders magnetized. You got hex torque, Phillips standard, and you've got the other little extensions that are in there, and that's what comes in that kit. Now take a look over here on my left. You got 624 customer reviews. And if you add up the 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, you got about 99% favorable rating on this, with a lot of people giving 5 stars to durability, sturdiness, and value for money. So this is what I looked through. I read through all of the comments and stuff like that, and then I went ahead and I made the purchase because it seemed to be a damn good set. So far, the person, a friend of mine that I shipped it off to, absolutely loves this set. Let me show you a couple other pictures. Okay, so this is the last photo I'll show you, and then we'll wrap this up, but this shows you the kit. You got the hex keys up here, you got the wrenches, the sockets, the ratchets, everything right here. And so, for $100, like I said, I think it's a good value, it's a good bargain. Look in the link below in the description, and it'll take you there and you can read more about it. Now, how long this deal will be going on for, I don't know, but for right now, it's a damn good deal. It's worth taking a look at. If you can't use it yourself, maybe there's somebody that could use it you want to get a gift for, or some kind of a gift idea. All right, folks, well, if you know a better set, drop it in the comment below. Like I said, it's not for an automotive, mechanic maybe, that wants to get Matco Snap-on, Cornwall, something like that. But for the DIYer and somebody that's, not using it professionally, like in a trade like that, it's a good value, it's a good buy. I hope you drop a comment, click subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again soon. Thank you, folks. Bye-bye.